Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So cosine 2x, that is about this one. So number 1 minus number 1, we have number 0. So this one, we can put 1 over 2s secant of s square, because 1 over cosine s square, that is about this one. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 1 over 2s. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have ds over number 2 dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to cosine s, tan s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration tan s ds. So tan s, that is about sine s over cosine s. The integration of negative of sine s over cosine s, that is about Ln of the absolute value of cosine s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.